Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. For today's video, I am doing a pink and white blacklight pour. So I have a neon pink, super pretty, and I have white. Now this is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic mixed with Floetrol and DecoArt Satin Enamel, because I am going to attempt to get a cloud pour with this. I think that would be so cool with a neon, and I've been wanting to do this. So some of the things I'm going to do to try to get cells in this cloud pour, well, first of all, I'm using the satin enamel, which can help, and Floetrol often helps. I'm also going to make sure I stir up my paint a ton before I start pouring, and then I'm also going to pour it into the cup from high up, because that will push down air pockets into the paint, and then that will pop and help the paint kind of come up and create cells. I also don't have any silicone in this. Sorry, I'm going to be blocking the light for the rest of this, but I am not pouring very well left-handed. I'm going to hit this with my torch a little bit, and then I'm going to tilt. Okay, so this is quite disappointing. I think it's going to look really cool in regular light, but it's not showing up on the camera at all. I can see it in person a little bit, but I'm wondering if the white overtook it, or maybe it just needs to sit for a little bit to rise up. So I think we'll let it sit for a little while. I am going to try the torch again. And then if it doesn't show anything under black light, we'll just look at it under regular light. And then I may try this again, maybe with black as the background. I thought maybe black would overpower, but that might be the best bet. Okay, so it has been about 10 minutes and we're not seeing anything under the black light. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the lights on, and then we can take a look at that and see how it looks under regular light. Okay, this is actually really pretty. It almost looks like I don't have any white in here. I don't think you can see it on the screen. It's kind of washed out. Let me see if I can adjust it. Well, I don't know if that's really showing it super accurately either, because it is a very pale painting, but it basically looks like a very pale pink with a little bit darker of a pink. I really, really like the texture, and I mean, I'll show you when we go a little closer up. I'm not sure if when this dries, if it'll be more blacklight reactive or not. I guess we can test that out later. But I do really like the way it looks. I think this would be super pretty in someone's home if they had kind of pink accents, or if they wanted more of like a soft kind of floral feel. I think it might be really pretty when it dries. So I guess we will see. If it ends up drying too low contrast, then I may end up pouring over it, but I actually like the way it looks now. Let's go ahead and go in for a closer look. It kind of reminds me of ballet, just like the feeling, not necessarily the look. I guess the color could make you think that, but more of just the flow, the movement, the lines. We got some of these cells down in here. I think maybe the white was too thin, so it didn't really hold the shapes very well. So I think if I do any more after this, I'll thicken that up before I use it again. I do think this turned out really cool. Follow me on Instagram, it'll be in the description down below. I try to post my dry paintings there so that you can see them later. If I ever miss one, feel free to let me know and I'll make sure I get it up. Sometimes they're not quite dry when I'm ready to post, so I end up posting something else or forgetting about it till later. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. If you enjoyed this video, I would really appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think about this painting? Do you think there's not enough contrast? I guess I could go in later and add some gold leaf or silver leaf. I have some pens and some liquid gold leaf that I could use. That's a thought. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.